Well, I think they missed, with Tim's talk, which I think is very important in terms of, the tangibility of what IT brings to the table, the fusion that he was talking about. You wrap his message around Cynic's message, and you know what, that could be a whole kind of change and shift in the IT department in terms of the way they look at their work, their business, and their employees. So I think from that perspective, if they were to be here, they may perhaps have a different type of meeting the next time they got their group together, and maybe even change a little bit about the cultural issue that's taking place within the department.
I think the message around fusion and elevating IT to the business level is something that every customer who's either attended or needs to attend, they're going to miss that if they weren't here, and hopefully they'll be able to hear the message.
I would say come. Anybody who, and what really should happen is the technology people who, most of the times the CIO or a director or somebody like that ends up coming to this event. If you can bring your CFOs and your COOs and your presidents and CEOs, and if you can somehow drag them along with you, that would be a huge bonus and a huge benefit, because they're the ones who really need to hear it. And a lot of times they don't want to hear it from you. In the business we're in, you always end up having to go out to get a consultant to tell the CEO what you've been trying to tell them for the past 10 years. It's just the way it is. So if you can get them here to hear it from the horse's mouth, and having some of the industry people there to back it all up, and then have a great speaker like Cynic, it's all good stuff.
Again, by not showing up, I think that you miss the opportunity to be challenged, to listen to perspectives that maybe you don't have within your company, to hear how other companies are fusing business and technology, and basically they'll learn what has worked for other companies. You miss out on that by not attending these kind of things.
Step away from your office and see the world from a forward-thinking perspective. See the world from our speaker today, which find your why. If you miss those opportunities, in the end you stop growing. And I think us as human beings, we need to keep growing, at least widening our knowledge and opening our minds to new ways and new perspectives.